Today's best electric pressure washers do far more than just blast away dirt. They're powerful, efficient, easy to use, and built to tackle everything from driveways and decks to cars and patio furniture. With quieter operation, low maintenance, and impressive cleaning performance, these machines offer outstanding value for homeowners. After comparing the top options on the market, we've rounded up the best electric pressure washers you can buy right now. We've selected the top 5 best electric pressure washers to make your decision easier. Each model includes key features and benefits to consider before buying. Check the description for product links, and let's dive in to find the best option for your needs. Number 5. Powerplay Spyder Pro 2700 Electric Pressure Washer. The Powerplay Spyder Pro 2700 Electric Pressure Washer is a high-performance cleaning machine built for users who want strong pressure, smart mobility, and convenient features in one unit. It delivers an impressive 2,700 psi and 1.3 GPM, making it powerful enough to remove tough dirt, mud, and grime from cars, driveways, patios, and outdoor surfaces with ease. One of its biggest advantages is the 4 all-direction caster wheels, which provide exceptional maneuverability. Instead of lifting or dragging the unit like traditional pressure washers, you can simply push it lightly with your foot, and it rolls smoothly into position. This makes cleaning faster and far less physically demanding. However, the mobility system also has a small drawback, as the unit can roll on sloped surfaces, but this is solved by built-in wheel locks for stability when needed. The Spyder Pro also includes a foam cannon, which helps apply thick, even soap coverage for deep cleaning vehicles and surfaces. A long 35-foot power cord and 25-foot hose extend your cleaning range, reducing the need to constantly reposition the machine. On the downside, it is slightly heavier at 41.8 pounds, which may make lifting and storage a bit challenging for some users. Overall ratings are strong, with high scores for ease of use, maneuverability, performance, noise control, and value, making it a well-balanced choice. As noted by testers, its smooth rolling action allows users to move freely around vehicles without interruptions, significantly improving the cleaning experience and efficiency. Number 4. Sun Joe SPX3000 Electric Pressure Washer. The Sun Joe SPX3000 Electric Pressure Washer is an excellent budget-friendly choice for homeowners seeking reliable cleaning performance without overspending. Delivering up to 2,030 psi of pressure and 1.2 GPM of water flow, this compact yet capable machine handles a wide range of light to medium-duty cleaning tasks with ease, from washing driveways and patios to cleaning cars, outdoor furniture, and siding. Its thoughtful, ergonomic design makes operation comfortable and convenient, featuring a large front-mounted control dial, an oversized top handle for easy carrying, and sturdy wheels for effortless mobility around the yard. The steel spray wand provides a secure grip, while built-in nozzle storage keeps accessories organized and within easy reach. One of its standout features is the pair of removable onboard detergent tanks, allowing you to switch between cleaning solutions quickly for different tasks. Premium touches such as solid brass hose fittings, a steel-reinforced high-pressure hose, and an automatic pump shutoff system add durability, conserve energy, and help extend the life of the motor. While its upright design can occasionally become unstable on uneven terrain, it performs exceptionally well on flat surfaces like pavement, decks, and garage floors. Weighing just 24.3 pounds, it is lightweight enough for easy transport and storage. For anyone looking for an affordable, feature-packed electric pressure washer that offers impressive performance, durability, and ease of use, the Sun Joe SPX3000 stands out as one of the best values in its class. Number 3. Westinghouse EPX3500. The Westinghouse EPX3500 Electric Pressure Washer is a compact, lightweight, and highly efficient cleaning machine designed for homeowners who want powerful performance without the hassle of gas-powered units. One of its biggest advantages is the exceptionally fast setup, allowing you to get started in minutes, while its space-saving design and easy portability make it ideal for small garages or storage areas. It features a built-in soap tank that simplifies detergent application, making it perfect for tackling tough grime on driveways, patios, vehicles, and outdoor furniture. With a maximum pressure of 2,500 psi and a flow rate of 1.76 GPM, it delivers strong cleaning power across a variety of surfaces. Another standout feature is its adjustable pressure control, which gives you the flexibility to switch between delicate and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, whether you're washing vinyl fencing, stone patios, or garden furniture. It comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, including a dedicated soap nozzle, offering versatility for different cleaning needs. During testing, it performed exceptionally well on stone surfaces, removing thick layers of dirt and grime within minutes. However, it was less effective on oxidized aluminum, which required some manual scrubbing for a perfect finish. Additional thoughtful design elements include a wide, stable base that prevents tipping and onboard storage for all accessories, including the 25-foot hose and nozzles. Overall, the Westinghouse SPX3000 stands out as a reliable, budget-friendly pressure washer that combines convenience, power, and versatility in one compact package. Number 2. Ryobi RY1419MT Corded Pressure Washer. The Ryobi RY1419MT Corded Pressure Washer is a compact, affordable option designed for homeowners needing reliable everyday cleaning power. Delivering up to 1,900 psi and 1.2 GPM, it handles dirt, mud, and grime on driveways, patios, and vehicles with ease, especially when using the turbo nozzle. It includes a soap nozzle for applying detergent and a 15-degree nozzle for rinsing. Its lightweight 21-pound build, extendable handle, and large wheels make it easy to move and store. A 25-foot hose offers decent reach, and operation remains relatively quiet. Best suited for light to medium tasks, it struggles with heavy, oily buildup, but provides strong overall value for users. Number 1. Greenworks 2700 psi Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks 2700 psi Electric Pressure Washer stands out as a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning machine, making it an excellent choice for homeowners who want professional-level results without the hassle of gas-powered equipment. Equipped with a robust 14-amp continuous-run motor, this pressure washer delivers an impressive 2,700 psi and 2.3 GPM, providing exceptional cleaning power for everything from driveways and patios to vehicles, fences, and outdoor furniture. Its innovative pressure flow sensor automatically adjusts water output based on the selected nozzle, ensuring optimal performance and making transitions between tasks quick and effortless. Unlike many electric models, the motor runs continuously, so there's no delay when you pull the trigger, allowing for smoother and more efficient operation. Designed with convenience in mind, the unit features a compact frame with large 10-inch treaded wheels for easy mobility across various surfaces. It operates horizontally for superior stability during use and can be stored upright to save space when not in use. Additional features include a built-in soap tank, onboard accessory storage, 5 versatile spray nozzles, and a durable steel-braided hose for long-lasting reliability. Backed by an outstanding 10-year motor warranty and a 3-year tool warranty, it offers excellent long-term value. While the hose and spray wand connections are positioned a bit close together, slightly limiting access, this minor drawback is easily outweighed by its outstanding performance, portability, durability, and overall ease of use. That concludes today's session, everyone. We trust this information was helpful. If so, please like our video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Wishing you a great day, stay safe, and keep progressing.